This one, I'm guessing, not gonna. Well, I don't think anybody watches this, so it's not gonna be popular anyway. But Ayn Rand, Introduction to Objectivist Epistemology. And so, my understanding of epistemology is basically logic. So there has to be A follows B kind of stuff. And this is gonna be boring on the level where this guy lives. I'm just going to open it up. I have another one here, and actually it's a good one. Measurement. Prof. F. I would like to raise a question about the measurement of attributes. Length is obviously an attribute and is measurable. And I am sure that everyone agrees that hardness and temperature are measurable. But now let's take the example of triangularity. And let's ask, are such things as degrees of triangularity? It seems to me that a given entity either is a triangle or it is not a triangle. And there's a related question that you might want to treat at the same time. Sometimes you speak as if every individual, every concrete, it literally says concrete, is a unit. Did you mean to say that? No. This is AR. So as Professor F, this is AR. So maybe this is Ayn Rand, I had to assume. No, every concrete is a unit when regarded as a separate member of a group of two or more similar concretes. A unit is a concrete and existent, regarded in a certain manner, regarded in a certain relationship. Every concrete is a unit when it is so regarded. But that doesn't mean that every concrete can serve as a standard of measurement, because unit here has two different meanings. A unit selected as a standard of measurement, e.g., the inch, has to be given quantity of a given attribute, not of an entity. But now, what do you mean by degrees of triangularity? Because there is no such thing. Professor F. It follows then that for this attribute, triangularity, there is no unit in terms of which it can be measured. AR, no, it does not. Triangularity is one form of two-dimensional shape, and shape can be measured. Triangularity isn't a special attribute. The attribute is shape. In the case of triangles, it is a triangular shape. In the case of squares, it is something else. And all of them have to be measured in terms of linear measurement. I even referred to that as a first example. Well, this is all insanity. This isn't even a conversation. No one gives a shit about defining the area of a triangle or a square or rectangle. How the hell is this even a thing? I can't believe I just wasted my time. And I know I read this because I bought it myself from a Barnes and Noble. I guarantee for like $12 or whatever. What the? You trying to talk somebody out of believing that a triangle is a shape, or maybe this is how they trick you to read more to find out? Why can't she do anything right when I reread her books? I feel like her the same way I feel like Augustin Burroughs. I'm like, dude, when I read this, this was cool. Yeah. I will pick it up again. There was nothing objectivist or epistemological. There's no logic in that argument. I almost feel bad for her. I almost feel like she must have been stupid. All right. I'll be back in a second.